This free tutorial will show you how to change the Capcut aspect ratio to your video completely for free. Fast tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you have a video that you want to change the aspect ratio in Capcut PC.
Free Capcut PC, a voice completely for free.
You want to click on your player, view, or window icon and go to the bottom right hand screen and scroll to the third option which says ratio. Now you have different options to change the ratio to a 16:9, 4:3, or any one of these settings. This is a 1080p video transformed from a short form content. Or should I say this is the before? And this is the after.